working on getting this cleaned out for the high tunnel. So I've got 2 of the 3 hoops down and the bed's cleared there. Have 1 set left, and then my dahlia garden, I gotta dig that up so I can move the bulbs, and also I've got garlic in there. Got the trees cut down here to make room for the high tunnel. Here's some of the wood. That cedar was a big tree. And my kit that I used to make these raised beds, it was a great kit, but it's starting to decompose. It keeps falling apart and we have to keep reinforcing it. So I think I'm going to take that out and just build the cinder blocks higher and have that be my raised bed. But they're coming this week to put up the high tunnel, so I have to finish that and figure out how to get those posts out. I've managed to get 2 out and 1 loose, but I got quite a few to go before they get here. All right, installers are here. Here's my before picture. And it should be going, this should be 1 corner, right about there. And then it's gonna go parallel to the slab, out to that corner, right there, and then it goes all the way back 36 feet. Goes the last upright. So they got 1 end on. Got the 2 ends up. Now working on the top cover. Cutting it to length. little extra on each end. We've moved into the nighttime hours now, but it's very close.
For the roll-up sides, it's a really simple process, just a manual crank process. You want to roll it to where the bar is rolled.
So this is the first day I've had the high tunnel, and we practiced raising the sides and rolling the front, and we've been working on this front garden bed. We have the new pieces sort of laid out. Got a good start on it. We need to do the back of this one here and the side, so basically that and that, and then we're building a new one on the back of that one, and then we're going to replace the wood on this one because it's just sort of disintegrating and falling apart and the sides are falling in. So we are using these 4x4 posts. This thing is solid, and we're using these 2x6 lumber sides and pressure treated, and that's the plan. And then this is the layout we're kind of hoping to do for our tile that is going to go between the edge of the patio and the front of the high tunnel. So that's the plan there. Here's our supervisor, and that's as far as we've gotten so far this week. It's kind of nice having a week of vacation, get some things done.